not working right here, guys. Exactly. Yes, we are still getting the okay to be here. So or else we would definitely move. Also, we would just move to a different area, but we can't completely clear out of this area at this point. But yeah, flames coming right up to these homes on Highway Victoria. But again, this was their plan. This is what these firefighters said was going to happen. And so they've been waiting for this to happen at this point. So they're just doing exactly what they're saying. They're getting to see what they're doing. And it's getting really, really, really hot for you.
Hi.
Bro, this is an apocalypse in California. Bro, real life apocalypse in California. Everything is burning to the ground. You guys, it's like a zombie land. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Everything's burning to the ground, you guys. People left their cars. They left everything behind. Newscaster out. Man. If this ain't crazy, then what's crazy, you guys? Is the world coming to an end? Oh my God, look at the grocery store. Look at this shit, you guys. What the fuck? Oh my God. Real life apocalypse. Wow. Everything's burning down. Going to elementary school. Okay, I guess let's park along the street, yeah? And then, Dave, if you can, just go ahead of us and try to set up a signal.
Right here. This is where it's got to be. This is, oh my God. What? I've never, look at this. Beyond comprehension. Oh.